Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Texas Brew and Barbecue. My name is Khristy Sherrell and I'm your official backyard ambassador for RecTech. I like to do finger guns. All right, we are doing a dip today and we are doing buffalo ranch chicken dip. I had this at a buddy's house. It was amazing. I made it again. I made it here to test it out. It was awesome. So now I want to show you how to make it. I know there's a ton of videos on buffalo chicken dips like all over the place, but mine's better because it's cooked on a RecTech. I don't know, it's just me, I'm partial. Anyway, we are going to be cooking this on the RTB 380 Bullseye. This is my workhorse. This thing does everything. Smoke, sear, bake, everything that you want out of a smoker you can get out of that Bullseye. Go to rectech.com right now and check out whatever specials they're running by the time you're watching this video. They run specials all the time, and I know the Bullseye is one that everyone picks up. Even if you have a 700 or a 340 or whatever you have, the Bullseye is a great addition to anything you got. All right, let's get to it. So, the buffalo chicken dip, it consists of chicken, buffalo sauce, cream cheese, sour cream, mayonnaise. It's on the screen right there. All the ingredients are on the screen. Take a screenshot, everything you need. And we are gonna add some bacon to it as well. So the first thing that we are gonna do is we are gonna take some softened cream cheese, one whole pack, 8 ounces, and we are gonna put it in the bowl. Like so. Boop. We're gonna take our mayonnaise, half a cup of mayonnaise. All right, then we have our half a cup of sour cream. I love dips. Smoked queso is a good one. The bacon cheeseburger dip is a good one. All right, so the next thing that we're gonna add is our ranch seasoning, 2 tablespoons of that. Does it go everywhere? Frank's Red Hot Buffalo Sauce, half a cup. Get all this stirred together. Oh, I almost forgot. Teaspoon of salt. So we're gonna get all these ingredients mixed up in here. That cream cheese broken down. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do our 2 cups of pre-cooked chicken. Now, here's a trick. Let me put this bacon in here too. What I'm doing in this recipe is to save some time. So at the grocery store, I got one of their pre-cooked chickens that they have there, the rotisserie chickens. I got one of the pre-cooks. I shredded 2 cups off of it. Now, you can go ahead and cook your own chicken and shred that chicken down if you'd like. But if you buy everything at the same time, already pre-cooked, you cut out a lot of time and you cut out a step. So now that we have our chicken and our bacon in here, we're gonna mix that together. Now we are gonna add a cup of mozzarella and a cup of cheddar. Put a half a bag. Cool. And a cup of cheddar. Boom. Looks so good already. All right, now we're gonna take our Lodge cast iron skillet and we are gonna put the mixture inside the skillet. Heating it out here. I have the Bullseye set at 350 degrees and this is gonna go for about 30 minutes. When this stuff starts bubbling up, that's when we know it is done. That's it. Really simple, 30-minute cook, and you have a great appetizer. So let's get it on the Bullseye. I have it set at 350. We're gonna put it right there. 30 minutes. We're gonna be dipping some chips. Buffalo ranch chicken dip. I took it, I put it in this cast iron dish here. Just it was cooler because that other one was scalding hot. And put some blue cheese right there just to garnish it off. And let's just dive into this to see how this tastes. This is definitely a go-to dip. Friends coming over, games coming on, you've got to try the Buffalo Ranch Chicken Dip. We'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.